Welcome to a unified approach to English and life skills, part 8. Previously, we saw life is like a journey and a goal is like a vehicle. We can move forward quickly only if we have a vehicle. Then start your vehicle and sit on it. And we saw our fuel is our plan. And our plan tells us where we have to go. Can you go shopping without knowing what to buy and where or how to reach that place? So also in life we cannot succeed if we don't decide on what to succeed and how to succeed. So goal is the what of our lives and plan is the where or how of our lives. After having decided our what and where or how of our lives, we can obviously expect obstacles in our path. Life is not 100 meters dash, it's 100 meters hurdle. These 4 things or these 3 things that we are going to talk about can be your take-off pedestal or bottlenecks in your march towards success. Look at the 3 attributes and self-examine yourself as to whether they are your strong points or weak points. Number 1, punctuality, consistency. Number 2, regularity, consistency and homework consistency. I have consistency mentioned everywhere because punctuality, attendance or regularity are habits, not just matters of convenience or comfort. When we did a research why some students are very successful while the others are not, these were the 3 reasons we have found. People who were punctual, did not take leave at all, did their homework properly, were very successful. Others wasted their time and months. So in your initial days, take a decision to overcome these 3 obstacles to reach your goal. A chart with all our goals to achieve will be handwritten by you. It is called life-changing habits. It will have points like early to bed, early to rise, prayerful day start, prayerful day close, newspaper daily, general reading, a to-do list in hand for the next day, a to-do list closing every day, new words or sayings to learn, food discipline, mobile discipline, no anger, neatness, good deeds, etc., which we will see, read and practice on a daily basis in the form of a checklist. We can have these habits written in bold and stuck in places where we will get to glance them frequently. Apart from these general self-development goals, we have to decide on 2 specific life goals or long-term goals that we wish to achieve. It again has to be written in several places. We should certainly have a diary or notebook in the first place. One of those 2 goals, if it is going to be to improve my English language skills and to be good and do good, will make all the difference to our lives. Great achievers have a checklist in hand and put a tick against the habits that have to be practiced every day. Tick the checklist daily. Ticking the checklist daily is a discipline which might be very hard at the beginning, smooth in the middle and highly rewarding at the end. Unless until our goals become written goals, their attainment is left to chance and not choice. Checklist adherence will be habituated in the forthcoming classes, will be reviewed weekly, fortnightly and monthly. This checklist is the intermediary between the what of our lives, that is our goals, and their achievement or attainment. They are the how. The planning, the execution part. Right from the beginning of this program, you have been motivated towards the why of success. Why should you succeed? So when we clearly work out the what goals, how, which are our plans, and why, our attitude, we have learned the formula for success. That is the 1, 2, 3 success formula. The what, how and why. Not only success formula for life, but English grammar skills can also be learned the same way. 1, 2, 3 order or methodology, we'll see it in the forthcoming classes. This spoken grammar that we are about to learn or practical grammar that we are about to learn is called 1, 2, 3 grammar. 20% of what you do gives you 80% result, and 80% of what you do gives you only 20% result. So what is that 20? Check the life-changing habits checklist. Get your 20/80 right in life, master English and master life.